Hello everybody, Doc from VaporDevil.com here. Today we're going to discuss pocket grinders. We have three grinders in front of us. We have the rocket grinder on the right. Then by Magic Flight in the middle, we have the Magic Flight finishing grinder in maple. Then on the left, we have the Magic Flight nano grinder. Let's unpackage them and let's see what we have. First, let's start with the nano grinder. Well, the nano grinder is a nice, cute little unit here. And let's pull it out of the packaging. It is really tiny. It's about the size of a soda top. Literally. The size of a soda top. It's black. And it's a cute little grinder. Works extremely well for what it is. And on the go, in your pocket, when you need to get it done, really works well. Let's move over to the Magic Flight finishing grinder. This is also a well put together piece. It's very nice. This one is made out of wood instead of metal. Comes in a nice little carrying case. And it's a beautifully made little grinder. Has the Magic Flight logo on top, of course. You put your herb right in there. Twist it. Comes out the bottom. These Magic Flight grinders are made to fit right onto the top of the Magic Flight box. So you can get the herb in there extremely well. Both of them, if you can see, are the same size, but they'll work extremely good for all of the vaporizers. Matter of fact, for PAX 3s or Fireflies, Da Vinci's, where you need a really fine grind, this is the little grinder that you want on the go. And it comes in a nice little package. Let's move over to the rocket grinder. Now this is a fabulous little device. It's actually a keychain grinder. Very small and portable. As you can see, goes onto your keychain. Put your herbal material right in there. Grind it up. Inside the package comes the instructions. A little screen. This screen is actually for if you don't want the herb that you're grinding to go down into the cylinder, you put the screen here and the herb will stay at the top, so you can just kind of grind it and drop it where it is. But if you do grind it and drop it into the little reservoir down into the bottom, what's really cool about this grinder is that the bottom comes off here. And if you can see, there's a little hole. And you could drop that straight into your vaporizer. Or if you are doing some papers or blowing or something like that. Should be really, really cool, you know. You don't have to worry about it going everywhere. Especially when you're on the go, trying to be discreet and whatnot. What's really cool also about this piece right here, if you take a quick look, this is a one-hitter. Yep. You stuff your herb right in this little hole right here. Put your mouth here. Light it up. This comes apart. There's a little screen in there, as you can see. Comes totally apart. if you want to clean it, why not? It's 3 little pieces. This is manufactured extremely well. Bottom of the grinder here is black leather and has a really cool rocket insignia, as you can see there. We'll screw that back on the bottom. Take a look at the reservoir one more time. And that's the reservoir, which is definitely good enough for a couple of bowls and a vaporizer. Maybe 1L if you're a big toker. But this is an extremely well put together little pocket grinder, and I highly recommend it. So we've gone through the 3 grinders that we have here today. The rocket grinder keychain, very nice product. We have the Magic Flight finishing grinder, which is great vaporizers that need a fine grind. And then we have the Magic Flight Nano, which is another great pocket grinder when you're on the go. Very small, smallest of all 3 of them, size of a soda cap. So no matter what your grinding needs, Vapor Devil's got you covered. Come see us at www.VaporDevil.com, 443-420 vape. Have a nice day.